Hi there. In this tutorial we are going to talk about run the workflow as an API endpoint. Easyflow allows you to call your workflow as an API endpoint. It supports two methods, get and post. Let's have a look. From the icon located on the toolbar, copy the endpoint URL. In this example we are going to use POSTMAN to invoke the API calls. Let's start with get method. As you can see, all the input parameters are present in the Query Params section, including the key. Each workflow has a different key, so keep it secure. Let's try to make the same call by using the post method. You can choose to keep the input parameters as query strings, or you can send them as body requests. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions.